Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something different. This is not a review, but I'm going to make something for all of you, especially for myself. Self-love is very important, and so is being friendly to the earth. So I'm going to make with these ingredients a face cleanser. So starting with, I have 4 powdered products. Well, they are all natural things free from preservatives. So I'm using a glass container which I decorated, a stirrer, a glass spoon. Now what do I need? This is neem powder. This is sandalwood powder. Very good cooling agent, anti-inflammatory and reduces suntan. It's like a magical Ayurvedic product. Talking about the neem again helps you control any rash. It is antibacterial. It stops breakouts. This is fuller's earth or multani mitti. Multani mitti again is a cooling agent. It helps you with your sunburns if you have any acne, pimples. This is oatmeal. Well, this is the simple oats that you get, and then I have powdered it in the mixer, dry powder. Now let us mix it. I put most of the oat powder in it because oats acts as a gentle exfoliant. It treats dry skin. It is quite moisturizing. So if fuller's earth reduces excess sebum and oil, it is the oats that balances the moisture. So I mix all of them together. Mix, mix, mix. And it's ready. That's how it looks like. And you can store it. Since it's dry, it can be stored for a long time. But I make small batches of it, especially during the monsoon. I don't want anything to go for waste. I'm going to link all the things that I used. This is how it would look like, and I hope all of you enjoy making something like this. You can store it in a plastic container to carry it anywhere. So even when I'm traveling, I use this. Also, you can mix honey in it to make it extra moisturizing. Honey removes scars, acne, it opens your pores, and also acts like a gentle exfoliant. This is how I use it. Put a little bit of water and mix it, and that's how it looks like. And wow, smells so good of sandalwood, clean. It also removes makeup, by the way. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe.